Want to delete Western Union account? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily delete it. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the official website of Western Union. Over here, you need to enter your login credential as in your email address and the password, and then click on continue. Once you're in the home page of Western Union, there will not be any feature or the option where you can delete the account directly. So what you need to do is click on help at the top right corner. It will land you on this page. Here at the bottom you can see it says for information on filing a complaint, click here, tap on it. It will land you on this page. It will provide you with the contact information of Western Union. You simply need to make a call in this number, and you will need to state that you want to delete your account and why you want to delete it. Also provide information about your account. Once done, they will analyze your account, and if needed, they will delete it. After that, you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.